Hello guys, welcome to the hacking playlist of Antwerp. Today we will talk about the Kali Linux. Kali Linux is the most used Linux distribution for hacking and can be used for good or for evil, like N2. Now it's available for Windows 10, and today we will see how to prepare your Windows to receive the Kali Linux app and how to install the Linux app. But remember, good hacking is a ethical hacker. Microsoft has a long history in Unix. Actually, Unix was the first Microsoft operational system and the first Unix for microcomputers. We used it to deliver Unix classes in the beginning of the 90s using a 4 MB 386 computer with 20 computers connected on it using Telnet. Unix also introduced the virtual terminals. Microsoft team helped to develop the Intel 286 and 386 as the first operating system working in protected mode. Eric Raymond, in his book The Art of Unix Programming, calls SCO the first Unix company. Microsoft continued to use Unix internally. It have used Unix extensively within their company until 1992. All internal Microsoft email transport was done in Unix systems until 1996, when the company moved to its own Exchanger server product. Unix didn't vanish. In 1987, Microsoft transferred ownership of Unix to SCO in an agreement that left Microsoft owning 25% of this company. Unix subsystems exist on Windows since the first version of Windows NT. Here you can see a POSIX client and subsystems running in Windows NT 3.51 and in NT 4.0. And finally, in Windows Vista 7 and 8. As you can see, the POSIX subsystem is running in user mode and calling the Win32 subsystem. It's not natively, it's not running in kernel mode. But Windows 10 did even more. It creates a Pico process that runs a Pico provider in kernel mode, so it's allowed to run a Microsoft subsystem for Linux. The offensive security worked with Microsoft WSL team to deliver an app version of Kali Linux, eliminating the overhead of entire virtual machine. Kali have more than 300 tools for advanced penetration tests and security auditing. And the version that is running as an app on Windows 10 is Kali Rolling, the latest, January 2018. It was developed and maintained by Offensive Security, an information security training company specialized in penetration tests. Offensive Security also maintain the OSCP certification, Offensive Security Certified Professional. So the first thing to do is install the Microsoft Subsystem for Linux. We go in Settings, Apps, in Apps and Features, we will go down, Programs and Features. Here we can turn on the Microsoft Subsystem for Linux. Windows Subsystem for Linux. Okay, the next thing is restart your machine so you can install the Kali Linux. Another way to enable the Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux is opening the PowerShell, running as administrator to be sure that everything works, and typing the command enable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux. So it's installing the subsystem and you'll be asked to restart. Yes, I'm sure. This is the most effective. Actually, this is the way it worked to me. Now that we have installed the Windows Subsystem for Linux, we can install the Kali Linux. It's a simple operation. We just have to go to Microsoft Store and find the Kali Linux application. It's not the first Linux portable to Windows. We can find SUSE Linux, for example, so you can search for Kali. And we simply have to click and get. Simple like that. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel to receive updates about new videos. We're gonna hacker new videos about Kali, explain how to install the tools and the app for Windows 10 and how to install the graphical interface in Kali Linux running as an app. Stay with us and happy hacking!